let's try to understand how to work with GitHub and for what we need this. You already know how to create an account. So this is our profile, and we can edit profile. Always good to add some information about you, and exists two ways of creating GitHub for Validator. Or you create GitHub for yourself, and after you create some repository for your validator, or you create GitHub directly for your validator. I create GitHub for myself, and in the repositories, I have information about my validator. How to create new repository and how to edit it and how to delete it. We go to repositories, we click on new, and we create any name. For example, test repo. Okay, we can write anything in description. Test for Validator School. We can make it private, but to be true, this is not really needed. We need to make it public. You can see this, git ignore, choose a license. If you are not a really developer and you create this to collect your own information and send it, this is always nice. We create test repo. Where is it now? We can click Anthropocosmist, but we don't see here because we can customize your pin and choose up to 6 repositories. I have a lot of repositories, but only 6 of them are visible at the first. We go to repositories and we see test repo. Click on test repo. What's inside of this repository? The only one file, this is file readme. We can always edit it. At first, how to make big text or small text. If one hashtag it's a big, 2 hashtag normal, 3 hashtag small, and common text very small. Now let's commit changes. This is big, normal, small, very small. Next moment that it's important. I want to make a link on my validator. I go, for example, to MinScan. Let's go to the secret network. Let's find Artemis Red, copy link, go here, and we write like this, Artemis Red. I don't know. Can you see the difference between it in this and in this? How it will look at the result, commit changes like this. And if we click, we go directly to the link, return back. If we will write the text here, hello friends, I go to the next line and write here, this is test, and after I will commit changes. I will see it in the one line, and I can say, what the fucker? I was writing it in the several lines. To have it in the several lines, we need to use such strange things. And everything is good. I don't really know for what they need so hard syntaxes, why they don't do it more easy, but this is what we have. Also, you can always make this one. And example 1, example 2, example 3, and this we will delete. We will see how it looks. Also, we can have something like this. 1, test 1, 2, test 3. Maybe one more. You can do like this. Like this. To know more about syntaxes of GitHub, GitHub syntaxes, basic writing and formatting syntaxes, GitHub doc. I will send it to our group. Also, important moment. Now we have only README file here, but we can add file. We can upload file, and we will need it to upload our GAN transaction, or we can create new file. Call this file bestlink.md. commit new file. After we go to best link MD, edit this link, test, hello. And after, if we want to upload any picture, just drop it here, commit changes. What do we see? Cosmonauts. We can copy this best link, go back to our test repo, go to README file, edit README file. Here is where is this is test. We can put this one and insert, commit changes. And now from the README, this is test, how it can be usable. I have repository, my contributions. In this my contributions, I have README file. And in this README file, I just collect the main information about chains. For example, my contributions to Cosmos network. Where is this huge list? It's in my contribution, Cosmos. I create Cosmos MD, copy this file. After I go to README, when you come to repository, it's automatically show you at first README. And in this README file, I can edit README file and put the links on some other files in the repository. As the result, I have file that I can combine with another files. Next important moment. Let's go now to my repositories. I don't need anymore this test repo. Easily, I go down and say delete this repository. Copy again. We need to delete sometimes repositories. So if we will go to the Artemis, we see the logo of Artemis here. But if we will look at secret alpha, don't have logo at minscan. If I will be, for example, Mr. Robo Secret, I think, okay, I'm a number 12. Good to have the logo. How to get the logo or something like this. When I want to have the logo in the minscan, we write GitHub Cosmostation. Go to GitHub Cosmostation. In the GitHub Cosmostation, we have repository Cosmostation token resource. Here is, we see a README file at first. How to add your validator image. Very big text. I will show you what is it. At first, how to make the fork of any code at the GitHub. Very easy with the button fork. I can fork it also to other organizations, but now I'm interested in my own. But to be true, it must be Mr. Robot, for example. Okay, this is the fork. We create the fork for now. This fork it from Cosmostation token resource. Totally the same for now. We go to moniker. We go to secret network, Sentinel Stargaze. We go to secret network. Here is, we can see a lot of files with the logo, how it calls, secret developer, blah, 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 PNG. It means that if I will be Mr. Robot, I can copy this developer address. After I find the PNG, after I rename, instead of the name, I insert developer address. In your case, it must be developer address of you. Rename. After we go to our repository and we say upload file. Which file finds this secret developer tra-ta-ta? In the commit changes, we say add logo for Robo. Commit changes. Now, our repository have the only one difference with the Cosmostation token resource. So we go to Cosmostation token resource and create pull request. There are no open pull request. You can search or advance. We say new pull request. They ask us, what do you want? And we say compare changes across branches, blah, blah, blah. Compare across forks. They say, what we will compare? We will compare Cosmostation token resource with Anthropocosmist Cosmostation. They tell, this is what you want to add. After I create pull request, and Cosmostation team will have information. Hello, friends, you have repository this. Another person tell to you, add one more file with this picture. I will not do it because it also will works. The most terrible that the Cosmostation is nice developers and developers don't make jokes with each other. Developers will think, okay, this robo want to add his logo and they will add logo of GitHub. Very funny, but it will be like this. So we will not do jokes because developers are serious people. They don't really think that somebody can make so stupid jokes. And this is good. We will not do it. We just go back, go to my place, looks for this repository and delete this repository in the settings. And anytime when I need to add my logo to the min scan, to the Cosmostation wallet app, I need to do this procedure. The same procedure with the GEN transaction. For example, let's go to the GitHub Juno. We see a lot of repositories. Find here is Juno mainnet, and we can go to the pull request. 80 closed. We can see add peer, add GenTX posthuman. By this way, you can easily create pull requests for every GitHub. And moreover, you can do it with anything. For example, we have website at Juno. We want to add something. We create fork, we add something, and we create pull request and compare our fork with old version and waiting until developers will add our information. Everything else is not really important for the validators. But of course, functionality much more bigger. So that's all. Thank you very much, friends.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Have a nice weekend.
Bye.